I've got a air mouse for you today. This video is just about the unboxing, a little talk about. I buy this air mouse for my Renova projector because it's hard to operate Android without the air mouse or mouse, especially when you browse the internet or write something. It's really hard to write with the standard remote control, and for that reason I make a decision by this air mouse. And my opinion, yeah, it's good, it's fine, it's easy to plug in. You got just one USB receiver and you don't even need to use this air mouse, this projector. You can use it your PC or your Android box or whatever is have a USB and support a keyboard and mouse. You can use it absolutely fine. Battery life is really good. I've got this about 3 months now or 2 months, I don't even remember. Definitely a long time to find my charging on just twice. And cable is included, is standard USB cable, mini B, and yeah, that's it. You can also program some button on the front. QWERTY keyboard you can program at all, but why you will want to set up any different key for QWERTY? Yeah, right. Yeah. Okay, hopefully you will like it as well, this video. Don't forget to click like, and I can only recommend this lovely air mouse. It's brilliant, help me use my projector, and also inside the package is a Chinese manual and also have a English language. And yeah, that's it. Like I said, hopefully you like it, and don't forget to click subscribe and stay tuned, and see you on my another video. Bye.